Hi friends! Today we're doing something extra cool and using Sweet Tooth Fairy mix to make rolled ice cream. First things first, you're going to want to make sure to clean your tray, so run some warm water on top of it and dry it off using a clean towel. Once your tray is dry, place it in the freezer face down to chill for 12 hours. To roll that ice cream, you need to add 1 extra cup of cream to the mix. Now combine your milk and your cream, whisking in your favorite Sweet Tooth Fairy ice cream mix. Remove the chilled ice cream tray from the freezer and pour half a cup of ice cream mixture onto the tray. After waiting 6 to 8 minutes, we are ready to make some ice cream magic. Using your scraper, push away from you from one side of the tray to the other and watch that ice cream roll. Set your rolls on a plate or in a bowl and get ready to decorate. And now you're ready for the best part. Enjoy!